Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, June 26, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong Thursday, June 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2PM. 3D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong June 26, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2PM. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, June 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for June 26, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of Thursday, June 26, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.